Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put your website on Bing, bing.com. It's like Google and it's made by Microsoft. It's got a few differences, and so the first step is you want to go to bing.com/webmasters. You can pause the video if I'm going too fast. Now I want to add another site, so I'm going to go to Add Site. I'm going to put in my website. I'm going to go to it real quick and get the link. You can either import or add your site manually. I'm going to put it in manually. Add. Done. Now if it wants you to verify it, you can put in that code onto your platform that you use the domain with. Like I use GoDaddy. You can go to your account and put in the CNAME. You can go to your account. Go down to here, go to DNS and create a new CNAME and put it in. And then verify it. So that's how you also after a little while you have to wait around 48 hours for it to work. And it should look something like this. So you can see your analytics and everything. You can make a sitemap. You don't have to though, it's optional. And you can also see search performance. And yeah, bye everyone. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos. And yeah, bye.